Welcome aboard, folks. Ready for a relaxing ride around the park?
Hiya, folks.
Hello there.
Hiya, Goof.
Hey, Mick and Ben.
Oh, be sure you take good care of our friends.
Gorsh, they're with me. What could possibly go wrong? Well, back to work.
Oh, no! I must have hit that track switch.
Goofy, wait.
This is all my fault.
Oh, no. It's jamming the track.
Kitty, let's get that runaway train. It's a stampede. They're running wild.
Ooh, let's head him off at the pass. Don't let him get away.
Not a chance.
Uh-oh.
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Hot dog! There they are!
Yoo-hoo. We'll be right down.
Oh, boy.
We made it.
Nothing can stop us now.
Hurry, Mickey, hurry.
We have to stop them before they go over the...
Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
There's a switch.
Don't go in there. Turn back.
Turn it off. Go. The switch.
Mickey, pull it.
We did it. Let's eat.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally make it. We've had one crazy ride, but with you by my side, the stars will be our guide, and nothing can slow us down. The stars will be our guide, and nothing can stop us.
George, what's this lever do? Well, here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!